Sephora has always been a place that has made you feel like you belong. They've always believed in inclusivity, in diversity.
I got accepted to Sephora Squad 2020. I made it! We made it, baby! Sephora Squad.
What just came in? She's loaded!
So I'm gonna show you what's in my Sephora Squad giant box.
This is so cute.
Being a part of the Sephora family is so amazing.
My face hurts. I've been smiling for the last 2.5 hours. Just got off our digital event with the Sephora Squad.
I took so many notes.
I'm a big believer that if I put in the work, I'm going to see it. Don't give up.
Hi there, Sephora Squad. I'm Holly, the creator of Supergoop.
Ula here.
We love you.
I love you.
Thank you. My question was, what is your biggest dream or your biggest goal with JLo Beauty?
I think it's always to empower.
Hola mis amores, mi nombre es Jessie.
Joshua with the Sephora Squad here.
All you need to do is apply it where you need it.
Finished and it looks sleek.
Buff out that concealer. Do not neglect your coils, kings and queens. They are so important.
The brand One Size.
I just finished doing this look inspired by so many different spring trends.
Rio Shio's shampoo has charcoal.
It gives me that instant shine.
I'm actually using this new product from Ilia.
There are many different skincare products out in the world.
My name is Patrick Starr. Today we are doing this masterclass with all of you Sephora Squad beauties out there.
I just can't wait to get started.